Article 88, my ladies, my lords, creates the Electoral and Boundary Commission. And in the same article, my ladies, my lords, creates the functions of the said commission. You'll also find the same answer, my ladies, my lords, in the amended IBC Act. Most importantly, Section 10 and Section 11, which I'll be dealing with in the near future. My ladies, my lords, Article 99, as read together with Article 137, provides the qualifications for an individual to hold the office of the president, and by extension, the office of the deputy president. It is important to note, my ladies, my lords, that in the event anything happens and the current president is incapable of office of the president, the purported name, if sworn in, will be the person to take over. Necessary requisite qualifications, and that these qualifications are met. My ladies, my lords, that the constitutional organ judicial notice, my ladies, my lord, that the commission as currently constituted falls lack of the commissioners. And the question therefore, my ladies, my lords, in the event to evaluate the qualifications under Article 99 and Article 139, can be submitted in Parliament for voting. Who then is capable of doing that in the absence of the commissioners? My ladies, my lords, we submit that IBC as currently constituted can only execute administrative functions and it has no capacity or ability to execute the function under Article 99 as read together with Article 137 of the Constitution. My ladies, my lords, the Constitution as read together with the IBC Act has created distinct functions that for the commissioners and the Secretariat. And you'll find that, my ladies, my lords, in the decision, consolidated petition number 305, which was between Engineer Mwaura Kamau, Charity Kalukingilu versus EACC. A three-page judge, my ladies, my lords, had that to consider whether the Secretariat, in the absence of the commissioners, can take the functions designated and exclusively allocated to the commissioners. My ladies, my lords, at paragraph 347, this is what the court had to say. From the foregoing provisions, it is clear to us beyond that the membership of the Constitutional Commission is between 3 and 9 members. In other words, the composition of the Constitutional Commission ought not to be less than 3 and not more than 9. The court goes on to say that if the Secretariat, and in this case, the CEO to the IBC, would then be seen to execute the functions of the commission, it would then mean that the commissions would go beyond the Constitution.
When they seek to define us, we resist. We
.53. I refer the court to have a look at paragraph 353 and paragraph 354. But of the most importance is what the court said relied in the case of petition number 46 of 201. The court relied in a Ugandan case, and this is what the court said. It is clear to us that under the Constitution and under the legislations, the foundation of the power of a secretariat is the existence of the commission. The secretary and the secretariat can only carry out the powers vested in their offices when the commission is in place, exercising its powers since they implement what the commission has approved or resolved. Again, I urge the court to look at paragraph 356 and also 358. But most importantly, your Lord, my ladies, my lord, is what the court is saying at paragraph 362. This is what the court had to say. We therefore also agree with the petitioners that any decisions purportedly transmitted to the DPP recommending the prosecution of the petitioners without the sanction of the commission would not be in compliance with the law and the Constitution. We urge you, my ladies, my lords, to find that the name that was submitted in Parliament is not capable of replacing the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Why is that important, my ladies, my lords? Because if the orders are lifted today, that will be the next course of action.
My lord, that's not a finding you can make in your ruling on an interlocutory application.
Well, why, my ladies, my lords? Because this is a train with many compartments and many stopovers. The next stopover that we shall land on, my ladies, my lords, if the orders are lifted, is to have a person who has not duly appointed in accordance with the Constitution taking over the office of the Deputy President. My ladies, my lords, permit me to draw your attention to paragraph 365, 336, and 337 of the same judgment. And this will be my final submissions in respect to this judgment. At paragraph 367, the court is saying, whereas a commission may be disabled in its ability to perform its functions, such disability does not automatically render the commission extinct. Such an event, in our view, only places the commission in a state of dormancy as it is able to carry out its functions. My ladies, my lords, I have perused the replying affidavit filed by Marjan on behalf of the IBC. He makes no reference to the memorandum filed by the President. My ladies, my lords, he technically makes sure that he does not make reference to that so that he may not be seen as if he has delved into the functions of another organ. My ladies, my lords, permit me to draw your attentions to section 6 of the appointment, I beg your pardon. Paragraph 6 of public appointment parliamentary approvals. And as you look at paragraph 6, also look at the definitions contained at paragraph 2 of the same act. What an appointment means and what a candidate means. And for avoidance of doubt, a candidate means a person who has been proposed or nominated for appointment to a public office. Section 6 creates the criteria upon which Parliament must follow so as to satisfy the need for public participation. It also creates the time in which to be executed. It has been submitted that this was supersonic speed that took approximately 6 hours, and the Republic of Kenya had a new deputy president proposed. But the question might be, can this be done in the absence of the exercise of the sovereignty of the people of Kenya? If we were to allow this, my ladies, my lords, what will be the import and what will be left of Article 1 of the...
When they seek to define us, we resist. We defy every excuse and label they give us. We are greater than any
Bye-bye to FOMO, the fear of missing out, by downloading the KBC online app that gives you access to everything you love. Get the latest news, sports, music, entertainment news, live TV, live radio, and so much more at the palm of your hands. To get the app, simply search KBC Mobile Digital App in your Google Play or App Store and download the app. Catch what you want, anytime, anywhere.